Hi, this is Gene from Allstate Home Leisure. I'd like to show you our SABER grills that we carry in stock for immediate delivery. Here we're showing an all stainless steel grill, which is available in a 3-burner or a 4-burner. Individual temperature gauges for each section of the grill. You can cook something higher on one side, lower on the other side. All different types of combinations depending upon the type of meat, fish, vegetables that you might be cooking. It takes a regular 20-pound LP tank, which goes right inside the cabinet here. The hookup is already installed for your tank. You can run a natural gas line also. There is a conversion kit that is available for purchase if you'd like to run your own line. And you can see on this side how we have a burner on top, which is only available on the 4-burner grills. Great to put a pot on of corn on the cob or any type of vegetable, pasta, whatever you like. It's just an additional added feature that SABER comes out with.